everyone. Today I have some incredible news to share with all of you for our Black Friday event. It's something you definitely don't want to miss. You see, this Black Friday, we've prepared an absolutely spectacular special offer just for you. By purchasing a lifetime membership at the regular price, not only will you get unlimited access to all of our exclusive English resources and lessons, we will also include 3 premium English ebooks absolutely free. Yes, you heard me right, absolutely free. Now, these English ebooks are essential tools for any English student. They include Book 1, How to Make Long Sentences in English. Book 2, How to Pass an English Interview. And Book 3, How to Pass the IELTS Speaking Test. Now, if you're already a premium user, don't worry, I have something special for you too. You see, by sharing a video testimonial about your experience with our app, you will also receive the book, How to Make Long Sentences in English, totally for free. So my friend, what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this unique opportunity to take your English to the next level. Don't miss out on this incredible Black Friday promotion. My friend, let's jump right in.